Hey friends, these are the Divide gloves made by Pearl Izumi. And this is the second pair of Divide gloves that I've owned. I actually just bought these. You can see these are custom. They have the Colorado logos on them, but they make all sorts of different designs. And the reason I love these is because they are extremely lightweight. Like these are my heat of summer gloves. They keep my hands nice and cool because the top is really, really thin. Like this is just a very, very thin layer of mesh that allows that breathability all throughout the fingers that you can see. And then on the bottom, you have some light padding, again, that's highly breathable. I don't need a ton of padding on my palms when I'm writing, and so these, again, just feel perfect. It gives me really, really good grip without having to worry about those bulky pads and a lot of extra material on my hands that I feel, again, just is too warm for me. This also has a little power button on the end, again, just making things easier when you're touching your screen on your phone. There's also no Velcro closure in here. It's basically a one size kind of experience. Now these are men's large and they fit me really, really great. They're really true. I typically move between a medium and a large. These typically I like to go a little bit larger just because again, there isn't that extra bulky pad. So a really nice, super lightweight glove. Highly recommend these for warmer environments. For those that don't need a ton of padding, they just need something to help with grip.